Hello again. In this video we are going to go over your media manager and also how to upload videos and pictures and things like that into your posts or pages. To get into your media manager, it's real easy. Just go over to the media section and the little arrow of course will drop down to sublinks, and you've got a library and add new, and we're going to start with add new. And when you do, it's very self-explanatory. Upload new media, that's what it's called, and it says choose files to upload, and you just click this select file button, and it's going to open up a new window for you to search your local machine for the image that you want to upload. So I'm going to upload an image of my face, and there it went. That's me, and there you can add a title, you can add a caption to it, and you can add a description to it, and you can save all the changes. And then once you do that, it's going to show you a list, alright, of basically all the pictures that you have uploaded. And again, you can change kind of the settings of how those dimensions are going to be under the media sublink in the settings section. So basically that is how you upload a picture, and like I said, you can go in and edit it, and actually filling this out, the title, the caption, the description, things like that, actually kind of help optimize the image for you. So you're going to want to make sure you do that. But that's how you upload media. And now I'm going to go to my post, and basically to see a list of all your posts, you hit the edit button. I know it's not really intuitive. It would be nice if it would, have a link that says view all posts, but that's basically how you can see it. And when you click at it, of course, it's going to bring up a list of all the posts that you have. In an earlier video, we made a new post called title here, okay, very basic. And I'm going to go click edit. Alright, and once you're in here, okay, you actually have got all these little icons, and you've got some icons up here. If you click this actually expands and contracts some of the options that you have in your HTML editor, but the little icons you're going to want are these small ones next to upload insert. And the first one is add an image, the second one is add a video, the third one is add an audio, and the fourth one is add media. So we're going to add a picture, okay? And I'm going to put the cursor at the end here, space, and when I click on that first button, it's going to upload or pull up this little box here, and there's going to be three options at the top. Now right now it's asking me, do I want to add a file from my computer? Earlier when I added it through the media area, I can do it there, or you can do it right here on the fly, or you can choose the URL. Well, first of all, if you select from computer, you can select files, and that same pop-up box comes up, just as we did in an earlier step. If you select an image from a URL, you can place the URL there and the image title, or the title that you want to call the picture. And of course you can have a caption and choose the alignment option and the link image too, and you can enter a link URL or click above for the presets. You might use this for affiliate material, but be careful with this because technically it's hot linking, which means that you're using the bandwidth of somebody else to display the picture on your site. And like I said, if it's an affiliate relationship where there's a merchant and it's merchant material, they may welcome it. Other sites strictly forbid it, so just be careful. Otherwise, if we want to see the pictures that I uploaded, you click Media Library, and there's a picture of my face that we just uploaded earlier. And I can click Show to kind of get a bigger view of that and to see the title, the caption, and the description, and you can also make changes into it right here. Hide that. But to actually add it into the post, you're going to want to show it, and then at the bottom is a button that says Insert into Post, and you'll want to click that. And there is the picture of my face. And of course, if you need to move it around, the best way to do that is just to cut and then place the cursor where you want it. Right click again and hit paste, and then it will show up there. Now if you remember earlier in the media section under settings, okay, you got to determine and specify how big you wanted the thumbnail to be, the medium size, the large size, or the full size of the picture. And so that's where those settings come into place, and then when you insert that into the post, of course it will reflect that size. And again, that change is made under the media sublink under the under the settings section. And that is how you would add media. And again, media doesn't matter if it's a picture, a movie, an MP3 file. It's all going to basically be handled the same way, because in all cases they're all files, and all the files are going to be uploaded to a folder, and these options up here give you different ways to bring in that content. So even though you see it says add video, it's showing still just the folder of all the media, all the files that represent pictures, videos, and songs basically. And there's actually several ways to get it uploaded. Okay, you can go to your media area and you can do it there. You can make a new library, which is basically like a category for posts, but a library is going to be basically a new file cabinet, if you will, for your media. So you may have a library for videos, a library for songs, and a library for pictures if you want. Well, I may not have said that entirely accurate. Your library is in essence going to represent exactly what your edit button does on your posts. When you click edit on posts, of course it shows you a running list of all the posts that you have. That's in essence what the library link is going to do under media. It's going to show you a list of all your media, whether it's a picture, a video, or an MP3 file, for example, and it will show you the extension. So in this example, picture of my face is actually a JPEG file. And that is basically how you can add media. You can do it through this section, or you can actually do it on the fly as you're creating posts with those icons in the HTML editor. And that's usually a really big question, but the secret is in those little tiny icons right above the let me just get to it right here where it says upload and insert. That's how you get the pictures and stuff into your pages. And the nice thing about it is, with those two systems and these icons here, you never have to go into your cPanel and upload manually pictures into your platform. You can do it all on the fly as you go, which is a very, very valuable tool when you're blogging or creating a site. So I'll go ahead and wrap that video up here, and we'll move on to your links manager. Thanks for watching.